So is Freemasonry, the Illuminati, the question is, do they control the world? Okay. Controlling the world. Um, okay, I think we should be good. Um, there's a Bible verse that I want to bring up here. It's 2 Timothy 1:7. 2 Timothy 1:7. It says that God has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. There's those conspiracy theories that Freemasonry, that the Illuminati, all these things rule the world. And, I don't know enough to say that they may or they may not. I really don't know about all that. But I do know this. My response to it should not be paranoia, right? It should not be going about my day wondering who rules the world, right? I think the biblical response is to vote, to do the best you can, but then understand that God rules. And we talked about this morning.